Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. This is a template preview. I am going to be doing things a little bit different. Can you guys guess what this is? Look at it. It's so small. It's so cute. It's adorable. Do anybody know what this is? No? Okay. Let me tell you guys what is inside of this. Honey buns. This is a honey bun template. Look at this. It's so cute. Look at that. Only thing I did was, of course I did the measurements, but I just put a chip bag, shrunk the chip bag template down to the size of the honey bun. But look at that, you guys. This is stinking cute. Now, you guys know the measurements are going to be on my Patreon page. Look at that. And these is just the regular Little Debbie honey buns, okay? Come on now. You can get these in a pack. Very inexpensive to do. Shoot. Is it cheaper than chip bags? Yeah, I think this might be cheaper than chip bags. Shoot. Look at that. Freaking cute. Look at it. I love it. Love it. This actually is a chip bag that I just got done doing for a customer. Look at that. Super cute. Super, super, super cute. Okay, if you guys have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. And I will see you guys very soon. Bye.